Thank you for purchasing your Darko Body Armor Stirrup Walker. Let's show you how to properly put it on. Open the hook and loop straps and release the closures of the inner liner. Spread open the liner and place the foot, heel first, into the walker. Make sure the heel is seated in the back of the walker. With the heel properly seated, wrap the liner around the foot and secure with the closures. With leg in walker and ankle positioned at 90 degrees, begin securing hook and loop straps, starting at the toes and working towards the knee. Inflate liner by pressing the white Darko button on the front of the liner until the liner feels secure around the leg and ankle. To release air from the walker, press the small silver button located beneath the pump until air begins to escape. Take a few steps in the walker to test the fit. Your leg should feel stationary and comfortable in the walker. If you feel your foot and leg shifting during walking, or if you feel pressure points, adjust the levels of inflation and straps to ensure a secure and comfortable fit. Your walker is now ready. Thank you for choosing Darko.